Hello friends, I am fine and I hope that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is Shafi Muhammad Shah. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friends. Friends, Shafi Muhammad Shah was a famous Pakistani television and film actor who showed his acting skill in many notable serials. He remained active in the industry from 1960 to 2007 and worked as an actor, politician and radio presenter. He also did social work by being associated with WHO and UNICEF. Shafi was an active member of Pakistan People Party who contested 2002 general election but could not win. His sudden death in 2007 due to liver failure left his fan is there. He was awarded the Best Actor many times for his remarkable acting. This article contains all the information about him, including Shafi Muhammad Shah biography. Friends, Shafi Muhammad Shah was a notable and exemplary Pakistani actor who also served as a politician while being associated with Pakistan People Party. He started his career as a radio presenter, with the time started acting in dramas and movies. He was also in social work and provided his services in reminding parents of polio vaccination. After his death, an author, Nagina Hasbani, wrote a book on his life titled वो आदमी था या मोती दाना. The book was launched on his first death anniversary. He was also given the Best Actor award in 2005 for his series माँ और ममता. He was born on 7 September 1949 in Kandiaro, Sindh, Pakistan. Later he moved to Karachi. He received a progressive degree from the Sindh University, Jamshoro. He was married and had 4 daughters and 1 son. His son Ali Asgar has worked with Herald and notable politicians and magazines. Shah began his career as a radio presenter and took part in different plays in 1960s. So dear friends, how you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So friend, bye. We will meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.